Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and open a Simply financial account, right? So basically, you need to first go to simply.com and then you can either apply online here, come click on Join Simply, right? Select one of these plans, of course, or you can go ahead and call them at 1-888-723-8881, okay? 8881. Now, after you start the sign up process, you have to enter in some of your information, right? Your legal name, things like that, right? You have to provide a photo ID with your signature. You need to provide a photo of the front and back of your photo ID. Then you just come here, you need to choose an account, right? So what you can also do is you can give for photo ID, you can also give a provisional driver's license, right? A provincial photo ID card, or even a Canadian passport, and other documents you can give. And if your address doesn't match your application, you'll also need to provide a proof of address. And if you're an existing client, you can just provide a photo of the front of your Simply debit card or credit card. You know, they have multiple account types right here, so just click on apply now. Whichever one that interests you, come here and say whether or not you are a client, and then we'll be going through this process, right? You have to come here, sign up. I have also mentioned the details that will require to verify you. And these are some criteria to show eligibility. You can go ahead and look at that. And then these are the information you will need to provide, right? Just go ahead and click on get started, enter your information, and go ahead with the sign up process. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.